Whoa, almost knocked that over. 1C. In 1B, we figured out how many people were on the escalator because R is the rate that they're entering the escalator and they're exiting at 0.7. So I'm calling it E for exit, exiting at 0.7. When we did the integral, we ended up that at 300, there were 80 people on. At that point, there's no more people entering, so they're exiting at 0.7. So the answer to the question then is, how long is it going to take those 80 people to get off? We're going to have to divide by the rate. So if we divide by the rate, remember, distance divided by time is, distance divided by rate would be time. So distance divided by rate would be time, because rate times time is distance. So think of it in that way. There are 80 people on. If I divide by the rate, I'll get the time. If I take the total number of people, divide by the rate, I'll get the time. And that's the amount of time after 300. So the actual answer to the question then is 300 plus 80 over 0.7. And as a question once, you have a calculator handy? So you get 414.286. So again, the important thing to understand in this question is at the 300 seconds, this stops adding people. They're only exiting. So and then from B, we knew that there were 80 people on the escalator. So then we just have to divide by the rate which they're exiting the escalator. We find out that's the actual additional time that we're going to have to add to the 300 seconds. Hopefully that answers your question.